Want to do a quick recap here of our Hooyman HotZone fence. We had a really easy install. Kind of started off with setting out our poles and finding our perimeter. We found out that not all spots could we go as far away from the food plot as what we were wanting. Some spots we had to come in a little bit closer, but for the most part, we kept about 8 foot distance from our food plot to our actual hot zone fence. We ran our hot zone fence into the middle, where we had our battery and got the most sun, to where we could allow our charger to constantly charge. That's one of the biggest things is you want to make sure that you're getting good sun into your solar charger, and that way it keeps your battery nice and charged. We went all the way around the perimeter underneath the hot zone. We sprayed, we took loppers, we cut all the vegetation down as much as we could. Just try to take care of all the preventative maintenance things that come along with having a hot fence. If you got a hot fence up and you got vegetation hitting it, that's definitely not good. It's going to be running your battery down. So anyhow, we just want to do a quick little video and let you know that they're not very hard to install. I think about anybody could do it. And yeah, we look forward to seeing our food plot after putting this up and seeing how well the growth really takes off, taking that pressure off from the deer and just allowing it to grow to its fullest potential. So anyhow, we'll be getting back with you on some fertilizer videos. There will probably be a replanting video coming up, see how well the growth goes. But overall, Hooyman fence, highly recommend it. Super good product, easy install, easy directions to follow, and you just want to make sure that you're getting the best sun to your solar charger as you can. We'll get back to you with some more videos. I'd appreciate it if you would like, share, and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you, and we'll catch you next time.